So today is about to be a solo mom trip. So today is about to be a solo mom trip. I'm probably gonna go to Chick-fil-A, get something I like to eat, be a fat girl really quick. I'm not in the best of mood today. And then probably gonna go to Ulta, see if I can find the KVD Beauty foundation. And then I'm gonna take the kids on this nature walk. So that's what we're doing today. Kai is right there. Say hi, Kai.
Say hi, Kai.
Hi. And Milani's over there. A bunch of garbage is in the back of this that needs to get thrown away. Why it's still in this car, I don't know. But it's not my job to take it out, so it is what it is. So let's go. Look at this thing. So I got some chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A. We're actually at Ulta right now, but the Ulta look like it's closed. So I need to figure out what time they open. Ulta near me. Ulta Beauty. Here you go. It opens at 10 a.m. So, excuse me. It's 9:51 right now, so I'm just gonna sit here for a minute, wait till they're open, and then go inside. So we just got out of Ulta. I'm trying to feed Milani back here. And I got this. This is my Mother's Day gift to myself. It's a $29.50. It's a 60 value and you get it for $29.50. And it has 20-piece sampler in here. I got me a Ultra Blot lip from ColourPop in the shade Tatila Tail. And I also got a concealer. I need a concealer to contour with, so I got this cheapy concealer from ColourPop. And it's pretty fresh, and I got it in Deep Dark 200N. Can't even show you the colors because my hands are preoccupied. But so I use Digi to save money. I use the Digi app to save. Kai, what are you crying for? I use a Digi app to save money. I've been using it for about a good year now, and I've saved a lot of money using the app because there isn't any more left in there. Don't spill it over. Just drink it. Don't lift the bottle up, Kai. Okay. Like this. Drink it now. Okay. Are you getting juice now? Don't lift the bottle up. Keep it down. It's not like your other cup. That's why you're not getting your juice. So I use Digi, like I was saying, I use the Digi app to save. But every time I try to save, like you can withdraw money from out your account. Every time I withdraw money from my Bank of America account, they don't want to give the app my damn money. Like they take forever to release the funds to the app. The one thing, Kai, stop the whining. The one thing I like about the Digi app is that every day it takes out like $3, $5, $6 based on your savings goal out your account. So I really like that a lot. Like I was saying before, if you're like me, money burns a hole in your pocket, okay? It's so the fact that the fact that this app saves money for me without me even have to withdraw the money is good for me. We are about to go. Here, Mama. We're about to go to this park. So this is Turtle Creek Sanctuary Park. Butterfly. What does it say, Papa?
Butterfly. Garden.
Good job. There goes Mommy. Chilling like a villain. So we're about to go walk and call it a day. A nice nature walk. Bumpy ride, Mama, bumpy ride. Do not feed squirrels, raccoons, fish, or turtles. What does it say, Papa? The sign. What does that say?
Sun.
No, this. Read this.
Not. Feed.
Feed. Good job.
Squares. Finish.
Yep.
Turtles.
Good job. Come, Papa. Let's go.
Tiger.
What tigers? Anytime I needed time or space or just to clear my head, I actually used to come here all the time when we lived at the old house, but our new house is very pretty far from here, so I haven't been able to get back here as much as I like. Our old house was actually walking distance from here, so I could literally walk from the house to here in like 5 minutes. So I used to take Kai here all the time. Hey. Hey, mommy. Shout out to whoever bought this for me at Milani's baby shower. I actually put Kai in the front if he's tired. But yeah. So they normally have something here to sign in because people normally get lost.
What?
What does it say, Papa?
No.
Mm-hmm.
No. Jog.
Jogging. On.
Walk.
Board. Board. Walk. So they normally have sign-in sheets here because people actually get lost in here. In here is really huge, but I don't see any. So. Milani, Kai, turn around. Can't see your face. Look, Papa, say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, it's recording. Making a small pit stop.
River.
River. It's a river. Very quiet back here and nice. So we made it to the end. You gotta hike all the way down there. I'm not gonna do that with the stroller. So we're gonna head back. I'm gonna put this down right here. Kai, sit up and leave that thing alone. Kai. Good morning. What? Do not feed squirrels, raccoons, fish, and turtles. You want to go to the park, Papa? Or you want to go home? Dad, you want to go home? Okay, Papa. We're going to go home. So happy Mother's Day to every mom out there that's doing the damn thing, and also all the single dads that are playing both roles. Shout out to you. I hope you have a happy and joy filled day, and I hope you get everything that you deserve. And on this day, don't expect anybody to give you your props. Make sure that you are giving yourself your own flowers and taking care of you, because if you ain't taking care of you, you can't take care of these kids. So big ups to all of you out there, and have a wonderful Mother's Day. So this damn stroller took forever to close. I'm hot and sweaty as hell. Where do you want to go next, Papa? You want to go to the park or you want to go home? Go home? Okay, we're going home. And Milani's over there. So, we're about to go home. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.